Hi guys, today I'll show you how to remove and clean the hybrid battery filter. It is located underneath the back seat. You have to inspect the air intake periodically. If it's dusty, you get the warning message on the display saying that the maintenance is required for traction battery cooling parts. You need to clean the air intake and the filter underneath. First you need to turn off the vehicle. This way we know that the hybrid system is not working. We'll be using the Phillips screwdriver to remove one bolt and the clip underneath. Now you need to remove the cover by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. And this is the filter. If the air intake and the filter is clogged, this will affect the cooling of the hybrid battery. Charging and discharging will be limited, and the distance that the vehicle can travel on the hybrid battery will reduce, and your fuel economy will be reduced as well. Because of this, it is very important to check it regularly and keep it clean. When you remove the filter, you have to start from the 4 central claws first. Then, as you can see, this side already came off, and the last one is this end. Carefully pull it off, and this is our filter again. We can see a little bit of debris inside, but overall it's not too bad. Toyota advises against washing the filter. If any water gets to the hybrid battery, malfunction or fire can happen. Instead, we'll be using the vacuum cleaner to suck all the dust from both sides of the filter and the plastic cover as well. Cleaning is done. Again, I want to point out that overall this filter was pretty clean, but we're just showing you in general how it needs to be cleaned if it's dirty. Now we will put everything back together. First we will install the filter. You have to be careful when you remove and install the filter, because if you damage it, you will need to get a new one from Toyota, because you cannot drive without the filter. So same idea, we are starting from this side, then 4 center claws, and then the last piece on this end. Put the cover back. First left side, and then push it in. And the screw goes back in.